Hello everyone, this is Bluebell. I'm back to read Chapter 8 of Zack Power, Mega Mission 2, Code Red. Before we begin, I'm going to show you what I always do. And that is that I always draw the secret symbol before I begin. So I'm going to show you how it all goes. Are you ready? So that's our secret symbol. And now it's time for me to read Chapter 8. So let's get started. Zack jumped to his feet. Seconds later, he heard the sound of the generator powering down. We'll have a look at the symbol. Everything went dark. Zack switched his spy pad's torch back and moved on. Across to the doorway, grabbing hold of the sliding door with both hands, he heaved it open. And he squeezed outside. Zack could hear confused voices coming from along the corridor. Torchlights shone around in the darkness. He walked quickly towards the lift, dodging the other agents and trying to keep away from those beams of their torches lest they catch him. Zack rounded a corner and he ran straight into an agent. "Hey, watch where you're going," he said crankily. Then he pushed past Zack and kept walking. Why hadn't he called out to security? Of course, thought Zack. Most of them still didn't know I'm in trouble because it's a top secret mission. Zack reached the lift and he hit the button. He knew he had to be fast, but nothing happened. Took him a second to realize the problem. No electricity. He reminded himself Leon had turned it off. It had been down all day. He darted down another corridor and he raced down the stairwell to level 56. As he ran out, there was an enormous vehicle in the aircraft hangar. Zach looked around. He thought, where's Leon? There's Agent Rockstar, said a gruff voice. Zach's eyes flashed to the other side of the hangar. There were 3 GIB agents heading toward him. Their feet were clattering as they were running. Zach bolted. He weaved in and out of the row of parked cars, trying to shake free of the agents, but they kept on chasing him. Zach took a hard right, driving between the wheels of the jet's landing gear. He rolled on his feet and he looked over his shoulder. They were still right behind him. Zach vaulted over a motorbike and he kept on running and running and running and running. Zoom! There was an aisle of cars. There was 2 cars. Suddenly, an engine roared to life behind Zach. One of the cars began to move. The car drove right up alongside Zach. As he ran, the passenger door opened by rising up in the air. Zach looked inside. Oh, Leon! He puffed. Quick, hop in! Zach leapt in to the moving car and he pulled the door closed. Oh, you better hold on to something, he warned. Why? Just hold on, okay? Are you ready? Said Leon to his brother Zach. Come on. The car hurtled forward and it went back. Zach's heart was beating with anticipation. And then suddenly, one of the GIB agents seemed to notice Zach. And then Leon said, hold on, and they took off. Leon rocketed right out of the floor of the hangar and right through an exit tunnel. He did 8 seconds in a quarter mile. Zach glanced at Leon. He realised with a shock that their car didn't even have a steering wheel. This is the car. How good's that? Lamborghini supercharged V8 drag car. Unreal, hey? I'll let you have a look at that. How will I do that? There you go, like that. Don't worry, said Leon. Their cheetah runs completely on autopilot. Look at that, eh? What a beauty. It's the only way we can travel safely at top speed. Right, said Zach. But it didn't feel safe. It's safe, don't you worry about that. Look at it. This vehicle is a prototype for an auto-nav, said Leon, launching into a full geek mode. It's our most advanced autopilot ever. Just type in your destination and that's it. The cheetah will do the rest for you. The top speed is 400 kilometers. 400 kilometers and no steering? Wow, you're kidding me. Zach got a sly grin. Can we go again? Oh! And they did.
Wow. Well, he had to admit it made a pretty good getaway car. So, just got to change the page. There you go.
Cheetah zoomed out of the hidden tunnel and onto the road. It was pouring with rain outside. "Where's the holo projector?" Zach asked as they tore along down the highway. "In the glove box," Leon said. Do you want to do the honours?" It slots into the base there, see? Leon instructed. "Oh, righto," said Zach. "Hey, did you see something?" said Leon, raising an eyebrow. You just told me we're traveling 400 kilometres. Who could possibly be following? Something huge and heavy crashed down on top of the cheetah. A furious face stared down through the windscreen at Zach and Leon. The other Zach Power had just dropped onto the hood of their speeding car. What? At a time like this? Okay. Thank you, kind listeners, for listening. This is Bluebell, reading Zach Power, Mega Mission 2, Code Red. And we've gotten a bit of an emergency here with the other Zach Power coming, so I'm just going to have to go and reload with the rocket fuel in the Cheetah and see if we can take this fake Zach Power on. Do tune in tomorrow night, folks. Thank you very much for listening, kind listeners, and please do subscribe.